Now, your WWAY Storm Track 3 AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Helen Holt.
Oh, it's definitely a hot afternoon around here. Temperatures topping out around 90 degrees. Our record for Wilmington is 94, so we weren't far off from that. And our average high temperatures are in the upper 70s. But we have more toasty weather in store for your Friday. Low rain chances throughout the last several days. And as we head into the weekend, they'll stay relatively low, but jumping up a little bit more into your Saturday. But no signs of we breaking this kind of late summer heat around here anytime soon. I mean, it is early fall. We want to start feeling like it, but unfortunately, no signs of that cool, crisp air moving down into southeastern North Carolina, at least in the near future. Notice that our satellite and radar, other than a little bit of cloud cover, it's been very quiet around the Carolinas, and that's because area of high pressure over us, keeping us dry. But we are watching this area of showers and storms up to the north and west of us over the Ohio River Valley, and that's because of a boundary that's up to the north. Now, ahead of it, we are very warm. Behind it, that's when we're seeing some cooler air. Temperatures right now are in the upper 70s to low 80s around here. And as we expand this out, look at temperatures across the country. Notice that it's much cooler behind that cold front. Look at Bismarck at 33 degrees right now. Arctic air is bottled up into this section of the country. Notice the southern half of the United States is very warm, sitting in the 80s in most spots. Atlanta at 85 degrees and Jacksonville, Florida at 80 degrees. And that's because in the upper levels of our atmosphere, we're watching this area of high pressure. That's what's been dominating our forecast and will be the case for the next several days around here. As we go into early next week, we'll start to see this upper level trough that's out to the west start to move in a little bit closer to us. So that will increase our rain chances a little bit early next week. But all in all, we're not looking at any washout conditions anytime soon. Now, playing out into your Friday morning, temperatures will be in the 60s, upper 60s to low 70s, and then warming up to around 90 degrees once again under a mixture of sun and clouds. Now, heading into your Saturday, we're going to be watching that cold front move a little closer to us, and so that's going to increase our clouds a little bit more. So we'll definitely see some sunshine and plenty of dry time, but an isolated shower or two is going to be possible as we go into your Saturday afternoon. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler because that boundary is going to be nearby as well. Not talking about 70s, but we will knock a few degrees off that 90-degree mark we'll be close to tomorrow. Now, as we look at our tropical satellite, here is Leslie, and then we're watching another area of disturbed weather that has a 50% chance of tropical development over the next 5 days. It could be moving a little bit northward towards the Gulf of Mexico in the next few days. Something we'll be watching, but obviously no immediate threat to us in southeastern North Carolina. Here's Tropical Storm Leslie as of 5 o'clock, has winds of 70 miles per hour. It's been doing its own thing for the last few weeks out into the Atlantic, and it will continue to do that over the next week. Tonight, temperatures falling down into the upper 60s to low 70s, another quiet one around here, and tomorrow, we're going to be feeling the heat. Temperatures away from the coast back up to around 90 degrees, low 90s for those far inland spots, and temperatures a little bit cooler right along the beaches. Here's your WWAY Storm Track 3 AccuWeather forecast. 20 to 30% chance of rain Friday into Saturday. And then it looks like a little bit better rain chances going to early next week. But overall, it's definitely still staying warm around here.
Good time to go fishing, just in time for the U.S. Open King Mackerel Tournament in Southport. It is the 40th anniversary. I just told you, I was there for the first one. How about that?
You were a little Randy.
I was baby Randy back then. Thank you very much for that beautiful forecast.
Yes, most definitely.